What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stocked up trading floor. The market is getting closer and closer to new record highs. We're actually 0.5% away from all-time highs right now. So with that being said, in this video, we're going to do a recap of the trading floor over the past week and talk about the market going forward. Jumping right into it, we can see that there was one hybrid bot alert that popped up by 18.1% with GLD on Friday. This wasn't the craziest play ever, but it offered some nice opportunity on a day where there was high event risk with the market as a whole. And then as we shift over into the surge alerts for the week, there was a play with SMCI that popped up in a fine way. It wasn't anything all that crazy as it popped up by 21.6 to 25.5%. There was also a play with SMH, which was more of a dud more than anything else, so that one didn't really work that well. And then there was a play with DJT, which just crushed it. It was a bullish play with DJT call options, and these calls popped up by 119% to 169%. So that was awesome, and there was a lot of great movement and momentum there. But as we look at everything, the market over the past week was a little bit shaky and definitely a little bit nervous, as we saw a lot of profit taking happened on Thursday ahead of Friday's Jackson Hole Symposium event. As we look at the market going forward, it has been relatively bullish and optimistic, especially over the past couple of weeks. Of course, there are some serious geopolitical events and situations unfolding around the world, and we do have a crucial election coming up as well. So the market will be very interesting and volatile over these coming months, but again, it is still held up in a very strong and positive way, which is great to see. We also have some important earnings coming up for this week, like Nvidia, MRVL, and others, so that'll also add some nice volatility and just action and excitement to the market. As we look at everything, as we've been saying for years on end, definitely consider selling put options if you don't already do that already. When you sell put options, you put yourself in a situation where you are basically obligating yourself to buy stock of a company that you would have otherwise liked and bought, and at the same time, you capture off of, I guess you could say you capture a edge in the sense that options are a little bit more expensive than they should be. Basically, when you sell options, you capitalize off of this slight mispricing, and that works to your favor over time, not only because it's an edge by itself, but also when you sell put options on a stock that you'd be otherwise fine holding, you're essentially buying stocks that you otherwise would that not only increase over time, but you are buying them at prices that are favorable to yourself, which is even better. On top of that, short put options and just shorting options in general offer a lot of flexibility that I guess you could say long options do that long options do not. One of the main ones being the very easy ability to roll and adjust the position. So long story short, if you need any help with selling put options or you want to learn more about them, feel free to reach out to Tom, Hunter, or myself, and we will definitely help you out. But besides that, thank you all so much for watching, and let's have a great week in the market.